Okay, so we've seen how to call lookup tables a useful name, for example grade boundaries, and how you can insert additional rows by just insert and shift down. But what if you really do want to change the size, the shape of this table quite a lot? Well, what you can do is hold down the control button and press F3. So that's above the number keys at the top of the keyboard. So it's control and F3. And then you get this name manager box that appears, and we can change the reference. So we can say change the fact that it applies to this area here, and in fact select a slightly bigger area like that, press enter and then close. Yes, we do want to save those changes, and now in here these two cells are part of grade boundaries, so I can maybe introduce another grade boundary, grade 10. Let's see if that works. So 96, 97, yeah, grade 10.